Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in First Franklin Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in First Franklin Finance Logins. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Here you can see two different options. If you want to manage your investment, you can click on Investment Account Login. And if you want to manage your loan account, you can click on Loan Account Login. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click here and create a new account. Now click on Investment Account Login. Now scroll down a little bit and here you have to type in your login name and a password. So type in your login name. Now type in your password. If you click on this box, then you are ensuring that you are saving the information on your browser. You can leave it as unchecked if you are logging from a public computer. If you have forgotten your login name or your password, you can click on this link and recover it. Now click on login, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in First Franklin Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.